down to here at Aussie Tyres. Got to pick the pug up and we're just going to have a quick... We're going to see it for the first time with the wheels.
I'm excited.
And Timmy hasn't heard it with the race exhaust either, so he's really excited about that too. So what do you reckon, Timmy? You approve, Timmy?
I approve. You going to start this bitch up so I can hear it?
Oh, well, just Timmy hasn't heard the car yet, so I'm going to start it up for him.
That's going to be feeling loud at the track days.
It's starting to look the biz now.
It does.
It's starting to look the business. Yeah, so next stage is getting seat and all that stuff, but at least this is done now.
Yeah, so the car looks actually damn decent now. So what we need now is for, get the Ford Focus up.
All right, so this is done now. I'm going to head back to Newcastle. Really the Focus is the focus now. I'm trying to get CJ his Focus up and running. CJ has a set of wheels for the Focus. One of them's damaged, he needs to get fixed. But apart from that, really, the Focus could be ready to go by the end of March as well. So the Pug is no longer the Focus. Everything is the Focus is the Focus.
Back in Newcastle, CJ is getting the Focus ready for the 2018 season.
Big thing for the Focus compared to the Peugeot is I've only got front discs and rear drums. So for me, I've got to concentrate on this thing stopping. Some new discs, some new pads. Thanks to the boys at Penrite, we've got their high temp brake fluid. So as you can see, all the carpet's been ripped out, the roof lining's out, the passenger seat's out. So I found these set of mags on Gumtree. They're 205 4017s. That means for $250 I got a set of 17-inch mag wheels. Because we don't know what's happened with the engine, JD and I recommend that you run an engine flush. You stick it in your oil, run it for a while, drain it out. It helps to get all that crap out. JD and I recommend the 10 racing oil, full synthetic. If you speak to anyone in motorsport, they all rave about the Penrite gear. So do we. As discussed earlier, I want to look at the brakes. The 10 racing brake fluid that we use, it's good for 600 degrees Fahrenheit, it's about 316 Celsius. This brake fluid is the same fluid that Dave Reynolds uses from Erebus Motorsport. If he uses it, it's got to be good enough for us. Okay, so we've done the oil, we've done your brake fluid. Next we've got to look after is your coolant. We recommend running a radiator flush through, helps to get all that mess out of your radiator, out of your pipes, all that sort of stuff. Once we've done, we're going to fill it up with the 10 racing coolant. We recommend you always use demineralized water. It doesn't have any of that stuff you get through from your normal tap water. So if you want to be a little bit more picky, running a petrol cleaner through can help clean the lines, injectors, all that sort of stuff. Also your gearbox, run a nice full synthetic gear oil through it, helps to protect it when you're trying to jam them through. No?
No, yeah, it was good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry. What we're saying is make sure you drain all your fluids, your oils, everything out and put the good gear back in. You don't want to be down your racetrack and something going wrong.
So in 2018, we're really the momentum's starting to pick up now. The Pug has its new wheels, the seat is on its way, but now the Focus is the focus, and that's become the new hashtag, Focus is the focus. We can't just be, letting it sit there. Look, it's even got its new pretty wheel on there. We're still going to do the big episodes, but we're going to try and keep it so they're a little bit shorter and can get them out quicker rather than sort of concentrating on the big ones like we did last year. The Focus is the focus. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks we'll get this car sorted out and we'll see how we go with that. But I'm Joel Devereaux and you're watching the Race News Vlog. The Focus is the focus.